Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get rich on Trendyol. So let me just open it up right here, and as you can see, I only have around 2,800 coins, but I'm going to turn on 100,000 coins, and as you can see, it's unlocking. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. Then we should be all good to go, guys. So let's see what happens. Alright, so it's adding the coins. Alright, we'll just give it a second to load up right here, and as you can see, it says 100,000 coins activated. So let's see what we get, and bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you exactly to do this. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this Trendyol mod for your device so you can get unlimited. So it's super cool. So let's just give it a minute for this to max out here, as you guys can see, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, go to the browser and just go to tweakmod.com, and then just type in Trendyol, and then just press install. And before it downloads, is going to be a verification, so you just need to download two apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So let's just give it a second here for this to load, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, so I'm just going to wait for it to load up. We should be all good to go, guys. So see what we get. I'm not gonna get upset. So yeah, it's loading right now, so I'm just gonna wait. And let's see what we doing, brothers. Alright, so it's loading right now. So then we're gonna be good to go. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download two of these apps to complete the verification. So like Family Island says reach level 10. Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do two of them, guys. Doesn't have to be the same as me, but then you should be all set. So that's how I get Trendyol mods. So I'll see you later, and peace out, bro.